In a typical automotive body shop, more than 500 individual metallic and non-metallic formed, casted and extruded parts arrive from different suppliers and in-house shops spread over the globe. Body in white fabrication process is a multi-leveled hierarchical approach where the incoming formed, casted, extruded parts are positioned and clamped in more than 100 geofixtures and resport fixtures, and then are finally joined with hot and cold joining operations to manufacture the components, which in turn become sub-assemblies to body main to full body in white. Today, OEMs and component suppliers are identifying the right approaches to reduce their cost and time to market while achieving CO2 emission targets. Body in white fabrication is also impacted by these trends and forces. Advanced steels and aluminium offer best weight reduction to saving ratio, but these materials possess less formability and high spring back, which adds difficulties during their manufacturing processes. Most OEMs they are converging towards multi-material strategies which use a mix of ferrous and non-ferrous materials. There is a lack of expertise for multi-material assemblies and multi-manufacturing assemblies, and moreover multi-joining operations like glue, brazing, screws, self-piercing, riveting, etc. There is a growing outsourcing rate which thus leads to more complex logistics and reduced direct control over the incoming parts and sub-assemblies from the suppliers or in-house shops spread over the globe. There are more and more different body variants required with tighter dimensional tolerances.